today I'm going to be talking about Sniffle Stopper from Plant Therapy. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about Plant Therapy, the company, and then I'm going to talk about the Synergy Blend. I'm going to tell you what's in it, what it smells like, and what you can use it for. My name's Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe below and turn on notifications to get the latest updates. Okay, so let's get started. Plant Therapy is a great starter essential oil company. Their oils are very affordable. I actually have a $10 off coupon for you guys, and you can find that in the description box below. They are also concerned about safety. This is actually part of their Kid Safe line, and they recommend these for children ages 2 and up. You can also use it if you're an adult, so no worries there. I know that essential oils are natural. Natural does not mean safe. It simply means not synthetic. There are certain populations that need to be very careful around essential oils. For example, infants and young children, people with pre-existing medical conditions, people on medication, breastfeeding and pregnant people. If you have pets in your house, such as birds, cats, or dogs, you also have to be very careful about the essential oil use that you have. And Plant Therapy is going to be honest with you about that. Another thing that I really like about Plant Therapy is their customer service is awesome. So if you want to have a live chat with them, they're pretty much always available, and I've never had to wait more than a couple minutes to talk to their customer service agents online. They're also really on top of their social media game. They respond to pretty much every comment I have seen. They're awesome. Whether it's Twitter or Instagram or Facebook, what have you, they are going to respond to your comments. So let's talk about the Synergy Blend. As I mentioned, it's kid safe, and they recommend this for ages 2 and up. If you're going to use it on children under the age of 2, that's on you, but they say ages 2 and up. So what's in it is you've got a lot of trees, and you also have spearmint. So it's got fir needles, rosalina, spruce, cypress, spearmint, and cedarwood Virginian. I don't really like spearmint. For me, scent and fragrance, it brings back memories, and I had a bottle of spearmint. It didn't have a Euro dropper in it, and this is a Euro dropper, so it kind of has it go out drop by drop. It didn't have that in it, and I ended up dumping a whole bunch of it into my diffuser. My house smelled like toothpaste for about a week, so I'm not a fan of spearmint. I also do not like cedarwood. I really wanted it to smell like an old cedarwood chest, and instead it smelled like kind of a musty basement to me. And I'm going to be completely honest, I don't really like Plant Therapy's blends. I don't think they smell very good. I use them because they work. So this one I actually got in a set. So it came with a handful of other oils. I think it came with a total of 6 oils and an AromaFuse diffuser. And I bought that. That was one of the first things I bought from Plant Therapy. And this by far has been one of my most used oils. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I only have about this much left. And I have some of their Synergy blends that are still filled to the top just because I can't stand the scent of them. But scent is the only thing. It also has to work. So it's cold and flu season. I get sick just like the kids get sick. We seem to pass it around all season, all winter, all spring. And I was starting to get the sniffles, and I hate the sniffles. I can't really breathe at night. I'm not really big on taking medication. I'm still breastfeeding a baby, so I have to be careful about that. And I tried to use Sniffle Stopper at night. I put it in my diffuser. I really wasn't expecting anything. Like I said, I'm not a fan of the scent, but I figured I had this, I might as well try it. And the next day, my sniffles were a lot better, so that was super helpful. Now, whether or not this is going to work for you, I don't know. This was just my experience. I am careful to diffuse this on an intermittent diffuser, so my diffuser goes 10 seconds on and 10 seconds off. It's better if you can go longer, like for example 20 minutes on and then 30 minutes off or something like that, but you need to be doing intermittent diffusing. You also need to switch up your oils so you don't have sensitization, which is basically a tolerance. So I rotate Sniffle Stopper with Immune Boom and Germ Destroyer, during the cold and flu season. I might use other things as well. So how you can use this, there are 2 ways that you can use this. The first way, as I mentioned, is you can diffuse this. Now, how much should you diffuse? They recommend for every 100 milliliters, which is 3 ounces, you put in 3 to 5 drops. And that should be the maximum. You are welcome to put in fewer drops if you want. Just because you can't smell it doesn't mean that it's not there. And especially if you're diffusing for, all night long, intermittent, all night long, you're going to become accustomed to the scent. So you might have your diffuser running and not even be able to smell it. But you'll notice if you go out of the room and come back in, you should be able to smell it again. Even if you don't want to use too many oils. They do recommend a maximum of 5 drops per 100 milliliters. I have also found that this is a large diffuser in the background, but I found smaller diffusers like 100 or 200 milliliters produce more scent. I'm not sure how that works. I usually filled my diffuser only to about 200 milliliters, and I can rotate it and turn it lower or higher, and I put it on low because I have a small room. So the first way is diffusing it. You can also use this topically. So you need to dilute your essential oils, and I have a handy dandy calculator below on how you should dilute it, and they recommend 3 to 5%. It says you can put it on their chest or under their nose. Make sure you are diluting it. Going along with this, besides diffusing, like a diffuser like this, there are multiple ways that you can diffuse, and I'm going to link to a video I made about 10 ways that you guys can diffuse. For example, another one is using a necklace, a diffuser necklace. So that is a little bit about the company. I told you guys what's in the oil, what it smells like. It smells very kind of toothpaste, like a tree with toothpaste on it. And how you can use it. I want to hear from you guys. Have you ever bought any kid-safe Synergy blends from Plant Therapy or anything from Plant Therapy? Let me know what you bought, what you thought of it, and what you think of the company. I love hearing from you guys, so make sure you leave a comment below. Please like this video and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to get the latest updates. I will see you guys later.